So today I want to introduce you to TWI adverbs. All that we are doing so far is to get you prepared towards sentence formation. All right, we cannot just go ahead and form sentences if you don't know the parts that come together to form these sentences. So the pronouns that we've looked at, the nouns, the verbs, the adjectives, the adverbs now, we are going to piece all that together in the end to form different kinds of sentences. All right, so please take these lessons very seriously. Today, I want to introduce you to TWI adverbs. In TWI, an adverb is called ỌKYERЭFOƆ. Okay, ỌKYERЭFOỌ. And if you don't know what an adverb is, we basically use adverbs to provide information regarding the manner in which something happens or something is done, right? So if you ask, for example, how did it happen? Okay, so if you ask the question, how did it happen or how was it done? An adverb can provide us with that, information. We also use adverbs to provide information regarding the place where something happens or is done, all right? So again, if you ask, where did this happen or where was this done? An adverb can provide us with that information. Adverbs also provide us with information regarding the time when something happens or something is done. So again, if you ask the question, when did this happen? Okay, or when was this done? Adverbs can provide us with, that information. Okay? Again, we are not done. Adverbs also provide us with information regarding the frequency with which something happens or is done. All right? So, again, if you ask, how often does this happen? Okay? Or how frequent does this happen or is this done? Adverbs can provide us with that information. Adverbs also provide us with information regarding the degree at which something is done or something happened. So again, if you ask the question, to what extent did this happen, okay, or was this done? Adverbs can provide us with that information. Adverbs also provide us with information regarding the probability of something happening or something being done, all right? So again, if you ask, how sure are you that this is going to happen, okay, or this is going to be done? Adverbs can provide us with that information as well. So you can see how important adverbs are, and based on these functions, based on the functions that I've just told you about, we can categorize adverbs into different types. Okay, so the adverbs that provide us with information regarding the manner in which something is done, we call such adverbs the manner adverbs. Simple, right? And then the adverbs that provide us with information regarding the place where something happens, guess, we call them place adverbs. The adverbs that provide us with information regarding the time when something happens or something is done, we call such adverbs the time adverbs, all right? And then we have the adverbs that provide us with information regarding the frequency at which something happens or something is done, called the frequency adverbs, all right? And then again, we have the adverbs that provide us with information regarding the degree at which something is done or something happens. We call those the degree adverbs. And finally, the adverbs that provide us with information regarding the probability of something happening or something being done as the probability adverb. So broadly, these are the types of adverbs that we have, and in our subsequent lessons, this is just the introduction. So in our subsequent lessons, we are going to be looking at, examples of TWI adverbs under each of the types listed here. And up to this point, if you understand what adverbs are, but you still want to, see some examples in order to be sure that these are what I'm talking about, there you go. Okay, so most English adverbs will end in ly, right? Ly, right? So we have loudly, we have happily, we have angrily, those words, we call them adverbs. But you should note that not all adverbs, not all English adverbs end in that ly. We have the often, we have the seldom, we have the always, we have the very, the to, the quite, and all those that do not end in, ly. All right. So these are some of the adverbs that we are going to be looking at the equivalents to in TWI in our subsequent lessons. So we are going to dedicate each of the subsequent lessons to looking at one type of, the adverbs. I hope to see you soon.